Hello, everybody. Welcome back. So glad that you could join me today. It's a glorious day. I have decided that today we are working on number 5, which was just this gray square. I didn't know what I wanted to make out of this fabric, but I knew I liked the fabric, and so I have had this pattern for quite some time. I have used it to make a pair of straight, like wide leg pants. But I've never used this ruffle pattern, and that is the reason that I bought the pattern. I just never had a fabric that I thought would go great with that. And so I was like, what might be cool is something that is very casual, like a gray knit, something you might use for a sweatpant. We take those sweatpants up a notch and give them a ruffle. I hope this works. I really don't know what's gonna happen. And I have enough fabric that I could make a top as well, but I wanna get the pants done and then see what kind of top these pants need. So I've got everything cut. Let's just get to sewing. This is the front of the pants. This is the pocket. I'm gonna start by attaching the two. This stitch right here is my favorite stitch, this top stitch that keeps the pocket turned inward. I really enjoy that. Okay, now I have the front and back each put together. I need to add this waistband. I have marked the middle and I'm going to put it right here on the center seam. I'm gonna put a stitch here at the center seam so that the elastic won't roll and like fold in half and stuff. I hate that. That's the back waistband. This is the front waistband that we just put on. Okay, so that's the waistband that I just put on. This is the other part of that I have put interfacing on the back of, just to kind of give some stability to this because this is very floppy. Now I'm going to stitch across the top. Then we are going to do a top stitch. Flip this part to the inside and then stitch in the ditch to keep all of that in place. So now I am moving on to the ruffle part of the pants, called a flounce. So because they're cut on a curve like this, when you hold them up, beautiful drape is what you get. Take this whole flounce and put it on the hem of the pant. I love them so much so I want them twice in a row. They're so cute. I wore like this to work today, and I didn't get around to making the top because I just wanted to get the video done and out. But I feel like I could have even gone tighter. I cut a 14 because this is a knit. The pattern is for a woven fabric, so I really could have even gone smaller and maybe cut a 10, but this is comfortable, it's good. I may have to take in the waist some because I was pulling them up a good bit today. I like these pants. I could use them in more colors. I would also like to try it in a woven fabric. I think it would be good. Also, I don't know how it feels to you guys, but for me, I feel like we are going through this list pretty quickly. And we have done number 4, number 5, number 1, number 8. We still have 2, 7, 9, 3, and 6. And I have an event this Sunday, and I need to wear something very specific. Like they ask that you wear polka dots or stripes, and I don't have either in my closet. I really don't want to go to the fabric store and search for anything. Number 2 would be so nice because then I don't have to be trying stuff on. It's just a pillow or a couple of pillows. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna need to know by tomorrow so I can start working. So tune in next week to find out, did I do number 2, number 9. I will see you guys next week. Bye. Like they ask that you wear polka dots or stripes. What are you doing? Because I'm recording. What's up? Okay, hurry up, please. Polka dots or stripes. And because... Are you done? Tune in next week and find out which one did she do, 2 or 9.